Hello, it's me, Daryl, Florida Catholic guy. Just out finishing my walk with the boy here. He still doesn't like other dogs. Took him in the dog, tried to take him in the dog park. There was another dog there, pretty friendly dog, and this guy didn't want anything to do with him. Starts growling and snapping at him, which is not typical behavior for this guy, but I guess I got myself an alpha dog here. So as soon as another dog starts sniffing around his rear end or front end or wherever, he gets defensive. He doesn't like that. So he needs to learn some social skills, or he'll be social distancing himself from other dogs for the rest of his life, which hopefully will be a long life. Loves people, doesn't like other dogs, I guess. But anyway, we had a round of severe storms here this morning into early afternoon. Not too bad around here, just got some lightning and thunder, a little bit of a gusty wind, but nothing that we can't handle. Some parts did get some tornadoes. There was a tornado, not sure where, but somewhere on I-75, crossed right through the highway. This, he says, a weak one, but even the weak ones do damage. So there was a couple buildings knocked down, damage to some houses, but I guess it was an EF0. But anytime you get them things, they can do damage, even the small ones. So nothing like that around where I live, but it got interesting this morning. I took some videos of some interesting clouds. Not sure if they're wall clouds or not, but they look pretty scary. That's typical around here. You get a cold front that comes through. Before it came through, it was 82 and humid, and now it's pretty much the front's gone through, so we're probably in the 70s now. Still a little humid, not as bad as it was this morning, but the next couple days is going to be warm and dry, which is good. Still going to be up around 90, but it's going to be dry, which makes all the difference. So just doing my thing here with taking him for his walks. It's been a couple days. Just been busy around the house and stuff, and no excuse really, but laziness. Did some shopping this morning. Was able to find toilet paper and a 6-pack of paper towels, which was good because last time I could only get a 2-pack. So, and I was down to 1 roll left, so that wasn't good. So now I got a 6-pack of paper towels, not beer. Oh, that's next. You're gonna have to get some more Captain Morgan here pretty soon. That's my favorite drink of choice. And I also like wine too, but I like to do the rum and coke thing. Always tastes good to me. Then I got I don't have, oh, come on, Shadow. He's eating grass again, and The last time he ate grass, he ended up throwing up twice. So now he's at it again. So, but yeah, another thing I like is sambuca. It's a licorice drink. And what's real good is to put it in coffee. Yummy, yummy. Like wild turkey too, but I still say my favorite is Captain Morgan. I also got some vodka, Russian vodka. You gotta have Russian vodka. Have to find some Russian friends so we can sip on some shots of vodka. Well, not sip on them, but you know what I mean. So my birthday's coming up Wednesday, and gonna be the big 4-8. Crazy. So if y'all want to send money, you can go to my Patreon account. Always use money, right? I haven't gotten my stimulus check either, which is disappointing me. Should get it sometime this week from what I heard, but I won't get it today because my bank is still in Maine, and I haven't totally switched over to my account down here yet. So my direct deposits go to my account in Maine, and today's a holiday up there, so I have to wait until tomorrow at least. My boat got shipped out today, so I should be getting that in a few days. I got my battery case. I got my dry bag. Dry bag is a little bag that you can put your like wallet and phone and stuff in there so it doesn't get wet. Protects everything, especially if you should tip over, which shouldn't happen, but it's good to have protection. So now just waiting for my battery and the boat, and then I'll make some good videos. And well, I'm out front of my house now, so I am going to say good night. God bless you. Thanks for watching. And I'll also post a video of those thunderstorms this morning. I did take some video of that. Nothing too exciting, but there was interesting cloud formations. All right. Good night. God bless you, and thanks for watching. Bye.